Transform your learning content to video in just a few clicks. Educators and students are using our text-to-video software to boost engagement and information retention. Turn your lessons, homework, summaries, and responses into video that is effective at transferring knowledge. Why do schools use Squigl? Increased class time for interactive, hands-on learning, highly engaged learners and increased homework completion rates, an improved classroom performance and understanding, and a measurable GPA increase by offering content through a variety of mediums. Dr. Mark Stansbury O'Donnell, the Associate Dean at the University of St. Thomas, said, "The student, rather than being a writer or presenter with paper, essentially becomes a director. They focus more on the information they're conveying." Squigl is interactive. You can let learners know about the latest Squigl lesson by sharing the video or Microsoft Teams integration. Educators can deliver learning content and assessments powered by Microsoft Forms from right within Squigl. Squigl is easy to use. Learners are able to leverage the power of Squigl in a few clicks. Educators can transform their learning content in less than 10 minutes into effective and engaging video. Squigl is innovative. Educators know exactly what learners need by viewing their comments before ever stepping into the classroom. Educators can see higher levels of comprehension by using a Squigl video as part of the learning materials.